Hi, this is Manthan from scrapingdog.com, and in this video I will explain you how you can scrape websites using JavaScript. So this is a normal JavaScript, and in this I'm going to scrape books.toscrape.com. And first of all, I've imported two libraries. One is Axios, through which we are going to make HTTP request, and second one is the Cheerio, through which we are going to parse the data we are going to download from Axios. So this is our function scrape books. We are calling it from over here. This is an async function, and this is where we are going to make the get request. This is where we are making get request. We're checking the status. We are getting the data which is being scraped into variable name HTML. Then we are using Cheerio to collect all the data, and then we are parsing uh, complete data using Cheerio. So we are extracting title and price using Cheerio. Let's just make a get request and see what happens. So this is node tut.js. Let's see what happens. So I got a complete data like title and the price available on this particular page. So this was easy. Okay. Now let's say I want to scrape a website like, for example, idealista.com. Let's see then what happens. For this website, I'm just going to, check the status after scraping it. Let's see what happens then. Okay, once again, node tut.js and see what we got. We got error 403. So this script is not enough to scrape websites like Idealista, or let's say this target.com, or zillow.com or Amazon. This is not enough. So you need something extra. What I mean by extra is like you need a mechanism through which proxies can be rotated automatically, a mechanism which can handle JS rendering automatically, a mechanism which can handle headers and the retries. Now let's try this complete solution with the web scraping API. So this is a script for again for JavaScript, but here we are going to make get requests through a web scraping API. I'm using scrapingdog.com right now, and this is the base URL. This is my API key. You have to use your own API key while making the get request, and this is our target URL. This is the URL from idealista.com. These are the parameters. I'm passing the API key, the target URL, and the dynamic is false. Dynamic means I'm not going to render JS for this particular website. Let's see what happens with this code. Scraping dog JS. Let's hit it. I got the data, but let's just print the status as well. Let's see what uh, status we get. Okay, this would be enough. I got 200. So scraping dog will handle all the headaches, like proxy rotation. It has a pool of more than 10 million uh, data center and residential proxies, so it will use the proxy on its own. And it has a mechanism to render JS. It has a mechanism to handle all the headers, the cookies, etc., etc. So you can just focus on the main part. What is the main part? The main part is data collection. Scraping dog will handle everything right from 0 to 1. Everything will be handled by scraping dog. Let's say I want to scrape a website which requires JS rendering. Let's say I want to scrape target.com, which is a a e-commerce website. Let's just uh, paste the URL over here, and let's make it true. Now, if you make dynamic as true, scraping dog will render JS. Let's see what happens then. I got 200 again. So JavaScript rendering requires, headless chromes like uh, Puppeteer, Playwright, or Selenium. These libraries are quite, resource consuming. So if you are going to render JS in this script, that will require some extra steps. Along with that, you will need proxy rotation. So why not handle all these with a simple GET request? This is where Scrapingdog can help you. Just have to make a simple GET request. You don't have to handle anything, and you can simply scrape any website with this with a simple GET request. If you have any questions regarding Scrapingdog or any other product from Scrapingdog, then you can just email me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.